Hello, people. Today it's like one of these days where you get up in a very happy frame of mind, and because I have my eye healing class tomorrow. It's at Phoenix Center at 11 in the morning. Uh, Phoenix Center is near Shilparamam in Hyderabad. So it's that tomorrow's Jan 10th. So I'm so looking forward to that. So that's what today's set of videos. I am going to be, doing what I do best, which is book reviews. And I have to say this, people. There's this book called I've reviewed it before. I think it's called Pajamas Are Forgiving, which is Twinkle Khanna's book. And seriously, I mean, if you were to read this, basically this entire book is set in an Ayurvedic ashram in somewhere near in Kerala, and it's all about the narrator, this lady and her ex-husband who comes to that Ayurvedic center with his present wife, and it's a very unique book. So, and Twinkle Khanna, right? So her writing is just naturally very witty, and you just keep it keeps you entertained, this book. So Pajamas Are Forgiving, you all should read it, people, if you all get the chance. It's a easy breezy read. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.